Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Early Specialist, and I want to do a quick shout out to GasStop. You know, they're always doing safety stuff for propane, and you know, Martin, I'm sure if you're watching this, he's one of the owners of GasStop. He'll appreciate this. Martin actually has a fitting that's like a 90-degree, and that goes to the propane tanks. And this one, what I wanted to point out was that this hose had been replaced. This is newer than this one, and so as you can see, how the hose, the hoses are kind of hard and stiff, and the actual hose is starting to buckle. You know, maybe it's not leaking yet, but whenever you change this stuff out, you typically want to do them at the same time. You know, so it's like changing socks. Don't do one and not do the other, because now you're going to come back and have another new one and another old one, versus, hey, I'm gonna put them two brand new at the same time. And they're not really that much money, so it's just better to do those as a set when you go to do them. Another thing that we want to talk about, and you'll see in our other videos and whatnot, is we got a bunch of GasStop stuff here in the store in stock, as well as we help sell it online. So a GasStop is a device that would go in between here, and you would have to turn on the tank, pump it a few times. It has a gauge on it, so you can not only see the pressure and you can see the fullness of the tank, but it also is equipped with a cutoff, so that if in the event happens, like, you know, that's the main propane line hose that goes down there, for some reason, if it leaked, if something chewed through it, if it had a tire blowout and it caused it to rupture, or something in these tanks were on, let's say you're traveling with them on with the refrigerator on, and it caused that leak, those GasStops will immediately shut off the propane, so that you don't lose the propane, so the unit obviously can't catch on fire or cause other issues. But something to take a look at. Check out some of our other videos on it. We got a lot of details on it. We got it on our website. We've wrote articles on it, and it's just something to kind of better help you to keep you protected while you're out traveling safe with your family. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, and have a good day. I'll try to link some of the products in the description below, and if you're out there camping, have fun and be safe.